Today, I'm sharing all my favorite makeup products, all drugstore, all super affordable. I also want to answer the age-old question friends, teachers, colleagues have all asked me if I'm Filipina, Korean, Hawaiian. Today, I'll discuss my response and how I've exploited my look. So please stay tuned, and if you want to see a silly blooper at the end, I got you.
I like to watch the get ready with me's because I literally get ready as I watch, and you don't really have to like be watching the screen intently. You can kind of just get ready and hear someone chit-chatting in the back. What I did find was this True Match Lumi foundation, which is new. Oh, I don't know if it's new, but it's new to me, and it has SPF in it, which is the reason why I bought it. Because with summer coming up in Texas, so just put a few pumps. You need that. So I put this on right over the primer. But I still feel like I need another pump, and I don't like that. Okay, I do like to do the under eye and do some highlight there. I feel like it brightens up the face a lot. So I'm gonna set the under eyes with this powder. My grandma used to have this on her beauty table, and it just reminds me of her. I love it. So while that's setting, I'm gonna go ahead and go into the eyes, these small little palettes. It looks like I haven't touched it, so these last pretty good. My eye is a hooded eye, and I am Latina, but people often think that I am Asian or Hawaiian or something exotic like that. No, I am just Mexican American Latina. Although since my eyes are hooded, I try not to do too much, although I do have a lot of space. If you have my eye shape and you have some tips for me, I am open to tips for sure. Blending it all together. So I'm gonna do is push that in. So I do my eyebrows last because of this powder. Like, I want to really set and not get oily. So if I did my eyebrows, they would have all been powdered off. I go in with this Ardell. This is my new favorite. I'm very frugal, and that's why I decided to share some of my products with you, because it gets expensive. So once the eyebrows are done, I feel like things are coming together now, because I'm always scared when I first start out, like, what is going on? And now I'm gonna go in with my mascara. There used to be a girl in high school. She wasn't my friend. That's like a disclaimer, like, because I didn't necessarily know her. And she would do her makeup really nicely and everything, but she would not wear mascara. But I hate when you do your eye makeup like really nicely, and then you have all the fallout from the powders and the pigments on your eyelashes, and then you don't put on mascara. So I put the mascara on so that it can dry, and I'll curl them after. And I have, what do they say, hit pan on this. I like it just for this yellowish color to highlight underneath my eyebrows. I am gonna contour a little bit, not too much. I have full cheeks. That's the Latina in me. One time I was at UT, and I would always get brochures and stuff from the Asian sororities and Asian like little clubs and stuff like that, and I was like, oh, I'm not Asian. By the end, I would just go for the free pizza. Guilty. One time I was passing by a Latina, Latinx, you would say now, sorority or club or something, and they gave me a flyer, and I was just like, that made my day, because I was like, what? I actually got I can't find what I'm looking for. I'm sorry. I'm distracted. This is what I apply my bronzer with. And it's not even a bronzer. This is a blush. It's taupe. A NYX taupe blush. But you use it right under here to contour. This is what's going to bring the color in. So even if you feel like you don't need it, I would do it, especially if you are a woman of color, because you don't want to wash out your color too much. This brings it in. And then blush. I always use blush. So anyway, let me finish my story, because every time I come to my cheeks I remember the story. So I asked the guy that gave me the Latino sorority or club or whatever little handout. I said, what made you give it to me? Like, I am, but like no one ever thinks I am. He said, are you kidding? With those cheeks, you are Latina. Like, I could tell. And I felt happy. And then my husband goes and ruins it and says, which cheeks was he talking about? My husband is not jealous at all. He's super funny. He makes fun of me. Oh, and I need the lipstick. My mom would kill me if I don't put lipstick on. This one. So I'm wearing these stripes, and it's a day off. It's a Friday off, so let's get happy with this one. These last a long time. This is gorgeous, number 15 in the Amore Matte Milani. The eyelashes, and nothing wrong with fake eyelashes, but if I do fake eyelashes, I have to promise not to cry the whole day, and I cannot promise that because I am straight empath, and I don't always put highlight, but on the weekends, I highlight. This eyeshadow, Nude Glow, that's Maybelline, and I use it as a highlight, and I just apply it right to the top, and then also at the lip. I like that little cupid's bow. That's it. And if you enjoy this type of video, let me know. And if you don't let me know. I just won't do it. If I don't get any comments, I just won't do another one like this. I promise. I'll just like zip it and stick to social work. But thanks for watching, guys. Till next time, I do wish you social work success. Thank you for being social workers. This, ooh, it's hot already. My flat iron, I warm that up. Warm up my eyelash curler in there once I get to the eyes. Let me know because I burned myself. Too hot. I got brave.